Alright folks, if you've ever thought why can't I have a 120-inch movie theater experience, but without giving up my entire living room? Well, guess what? I found something that might just make that dream come true, or at least half of it. Today we're diving into the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1, a budget-friendly portable projector that's making big claims. A 120-inch screen sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's find out if this is a legit steal or just another fancy paperweight. First, the good stuff. It comes with Google TV built right in. Yup, Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus all ready to go. No need for extra gadgets, and I gotta say, the autofocus and keystone correction, they actually work, which is a rare win for budget projectors. It's got all the right specs, but here's the kicker: 200 lumens. 200 lumens is pretty dim. You'll need a pitch black room to get any real picture quality. Forget trying to use this in a sunlit living room. But if you're setting this up for nighttime movie marathons in a dark room, the picture looks decent. Color accuracy, not pro level, but for the price, it's more than fair. So is it a scam or legit? If you're cool with the brightness limitations and have the right setup, the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is a solid budget option. It does what it promises and delivers smart features you won't find in most budget projectors. Want to upgrade your movie nights without breaking the bank? The L1's got you covered. Just remember, dark rooms only, unless you're into washed out movies. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.